Kate Weiss from Table of Plenty is here, and you're going to be cooking up something delicious for me.
I am, Justine. We've got lamb back straps that we're going to coat in the dukkah and serve alongside with the couscous.
Sounds absolutely delicious.
So I'll get you to do the coating and I'll start working on the couscous.
Okay.
So look, dukkah is a Middle Eastern product and it's made from seeds and nuts and spices, and this one's got spicy cashews with turmeric. So it's really good with this kind of Moroccan-inspired dish that we're putting together.
Now, lamb back straps, you know, encrusted like this is a real festive dish, isn't it?
Absolutely, and I think you'll find that the flavours in it will just complement the richness of that lamb flavour.
And look at that dukkah, how it just attaches so easily to the back straps. I've used 2 packets, why not? Because it's so yummy.
Well, exactly, if you want to get that thick coating.
Yeah.
So you can just do it like this. If you want to add a little bit of salt, you can. It's really something you can do according to taste.
Okay.
And then while you're doing the lamb back straps, we've just literally put a cup of couscous and a cup of water into the bowl, and I'm going to cover that with cling wrap and let it absorb.
You can see I'm pressing the dukkah quite firmly into the meat so it sticks, so we form that beautiful crust. So none of the meat should be exposed.
So we're just going to get you to put the lamb back straps into the pan and crisp them up for a couple of minutes on each side. That will just seal them. If we did them in the pan the whole time, you'd just end up getting a burnt crust. So we're going to start them and put them in the oven to finish them.
Yeah, a really good tip. And how long are we going to put them in the oven for?
About 10 minutes and then rest them for 5, and that should give you a medium.
So while they're cooking, we're going to finish off this salad, which is a combination of parsley, some onion, ooh, and my favourite, chickpeas. Kate, this lamb looks spectacular. It smells nice. I mean, the aroma of each individual spice and nut in that dukkah mixture, you can really smell it, can't you?
It smells amazing. So if I just get you to slice it,
Sure.
it's rested now, and I will pop the salad together.
No worries.
Couscous.
And resting any protein is super important. There's nothing worse than cutting into it, and there's lots of juice that's come out of it. If you allow it to rest, it'll stay so much juicier. Oh, see how there's no juices running? That is a good sign of a well-rested piece of lamb.
So I've literally just fluffed this couscous up that's been absorbing the water, thrown in the chickpeas and the sliced olives and the red onion, and I'm just fluffing it together. A little bit of parsley, just to bring the colour and delicious flavours, and green, good vitamins.
And I'm going to have a taste of this lamb.
You
Chef's
do
treat,
it.
right?
You do it. And I'm just going to season it with some salt.
May I say, that little piece of lamb was a flavour bomb. So much flavour in that dukkah. I love how I can taste the sesame seeds, the turmeric, the cashews. So delicious. This, even in a sandwich, would be so good.
Pretty fancy sandwich.
Yes, it would be, actually.
Okay, so that's it.
Great.
And I'm just going to plate that up
Great.
onto this plate, and you can add the lamb.
A little of that couscous, and I'm going to take about half of this. I'd say half a fillet per person would be quite reasonable. Would you agree?
Oh, definitely. You don't want too much.
There we go. We'll just pop that there. It's also because it's quite a rich meat. A little yogurt on top.
And a bit of parsley just to finish the top. And that's
it. Voila, that is a spectacular dish done in less than 30 minutes. What more could you ask for?
Absolutely. Beginning to end on a weeknight, weekends, just simple.
So delicious.